Today, we're going to show you how to install the Oracle surface mount halos on a 2015 to 2018 Dodge Challenger. The great thing about the Oracle surface mount halos is they install on the outside of the headlight bezel rather than inside of the headlight. This makes installation super easy. There's no need to take the bumper off, no reason to take the headlights out, open the headlights. Everything's going to install on the outside of the vehicle, which makes this really easy for a DIY Challenger owner that wants to install this kit themselves. Before we get started, we'll show you that we're going to be installing the rings using this VHB tape on the back of the ring. Now, I could already hear some of the YouTube comments where people are going to say, oh, well, tape is going to fall off. You got to remember, this is the same tape that's holding on all the badges, the spoiler, any kind of trim and molding on the vehicle. So this stuff's going to bond as long as we prep it properly. So let's go ahead and show you how to prep it and get started on the installation.
We're going to begin by using an isopropyl alcohol pad to remove any wax or other contaminants from the plastic bezel. Once you feel like the bezel is clean, make sure to wipe off any excess alcohol with a clean rag or paper towel. Now, we can apply the adhesion promoter to the bezel. The promoter acts as a primer to ensure that we get proper bond between the tape and the plastic bezel. The great thing is that Oracle includes the adhesion promoter with every surface mount halo kit that they ship, which is really convenient. Remember, this pad is a one-time use, so it's recommended to prep all 4 rings at the same time so that it doesn't dry out.
So in this next step, we're going to disconnect the driver from the halo. When you do this, make sure to note the number on the driver. You don't want to get these mixed up. So 163 is going to be the halo that's towards the outside of the vehicle, while 162 is going to be the halo that's closer to the grille. The 163 is slightly smaller than the 162, so just make sure that the driver that corresponds with this ring goes back to this ring.
To get access behind the headlights, we just need to snap out these panels. So now, we need to route the wires between the headlight and the bezel. To give yourself a little bit more clearance, you can use a panel tool to apply very gentle pressure on the bezel and create a little bit more space there. Do this for both rings. Then feed the wires through and we can remove the back of the VHB tape. Now line up your ring with the bezel and give a good push as you mount it. We want to make sure that a strong bond forms between the ring and the plastic. Cold tape has a hard time forming a bond. If you are applying this in cold weather, be sure to heat the VHB tape with a hairdryer or heat gun prior to installing. Now let's repeat this process on the opposite side of the vehicle to complete the halo installation. The kit comes with enough wire to tie all the halos together. Once we tie all these halos together, and since this is a color shift kit, we're going to have all the corresponding colors match, we then connect them to the control box. We'll mount our control box in a dry location and get power under the hood at this post here. Whichever control box you end up using, it's always important to make sure you get a clean, solid ground and keep the ground cable as short as possible to the control box. For more information or to find a dealer near you, give us a call at 1-800-407-5776 or find us online at oraclelights.com.